Double ratio diagonal. Well, that's a new one.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Well, I'm doing work, sweetheart. I teach people how to trade options in the market to keep their money and to be safe.
Okay. What's the market?
Well, let me show you.
Wait, it just goes to right here.
Okay. 'Twas the night before expiration. And all through the market, volatility was stirring, but open were the wallets. Recent index highs hung over as a dare, stocks on a recent run-up, without a care. The year that had just passed rattled through my head, 28% up in SPY, 35% from 2018's ending dread. With some hiccups along that profit track, not quite a straight lower left to upper right gap. FANG stocks kept strong and continued to churn, with the exception of Netflix and competition burn. A new large service streaming its movie stash, maybe not a bad time to give the mouse some cash. But remembering the 2018 decline and low, less than a year back, and the VIX did grow. And though I wish for that crystal ball and stock seer, I cannot fret, but keep in mind the end of that year. From tariffs to trade wars and data breach, ick! How can one profit the unrealized 2019 profits? I thought on the words of those who won the game. Cut your losers short. Let your winners run away. Now Apple, or shop, or options on Amazon. Time for cannabis stocks? But what if I'm wrong? What fundamental indicator keeps us from a fall, or becomes a loss? Take away all. Thread of yield curves, does a correction wind blow? Should I expect a sudden event, or a stagnant flow? Will there be more sectors which upward flew, or just single stocks outperforming Q1 and Q2? In 2020, will the option premiums dry up and go poof? Or can we expect a continuation of stocks through the roof? Should I take my profits and start up from the ground, starting with new positions that to me seem sound? Regardless of strategy, I cannot trade like a fool. Always use due diligence and not just trade the news. Which is why I use the patented PowerOptions tools, 23 strategies to search, compare, and analyze what's new. Aggressive, conservative, or neutral strategies, far out, near term, standard expiration, or weekly. Fast stock and option filters to help my trades grow, plus tons of education to keep me in the know. Ability to identify the risk reward I seek, find quick premium, or lock in gains to keep. So I can cut losers short, let my winners run away, use default searches, or create my own perfect trade. Our risk reward might appeal to all trading elves, but we teach proper position sizing and use it ourselves to keep the martingale and gambler's ruin at bay while still generating income to get a bulletproof trade. Whatever 2020 has in store, let us do the heavy work. Tools for rollout opportunities so you won't get hurt. Limit losses, increase returns, let the portfolio grow. Enjoy growth in the market, and don't fear the lows. Still take advantage of stocks that take off like a missile. And if the market tanks, you can sit back and whistle. Tools, knowledge, and the approach to keep you safe. Happy expiration to all. And to all, a good trade. Okay. Now, that's what Daddy does. Now it's time for bed. So why don't you run upstairs? Happy expiration to all, and to all a good trade.